Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best leg lifters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RMS Premium 7-piece hip and knee kit. The best thing about the RMS Royal Medical Solutions hip kit is that it includes not only a leg lifter, but also a number of handy tools that will ease your daily activities. The leg lifter strap comes with 2 different grabbers that help you reach distant objects, a long plastic shoehorn, a round bath sponge, and a sock with aid ropes foam handles. When putting on socks with this tool, we recommend selecting those which are not too tight, otherwise it might be a bit uncomfortable. The kit also has a dressing stick, which helps you not only dress for a day and for bed, but also close the zipper or adjust the strings on your clothes. With that, you will require minimum help and be able to complete simple daily tasks and take care of yourself independently. Moving on. At number 4, we have the VIVE leg lifter strap. The VIVE leg lifter strap is your go-to tool if you have any issues with your lower limbs. This item will be of great help during the whole rehabilitation process and definitely won't break in a short time. It is made of an aluminum rod and has a nylon cover. The material is not only robust, but also wear-resistant and can be easily cleaned. Thus, you can be sure your limbs won't get infected. The minor inconvenience is that the cover is not securely attached to the rod, so it might move a bit. However, since you use the lifter only for a few minutes, this little flaw won't make a huge difference. In addition to this, the model from VIVE is perfectly suitable for tall people. Its length is around 44 inches, so you will be able to comfortably reach your leg with a large leg loop. Speaking of the latter, the loop has a diameter of 26 inches, so if you suffer from arthritis or have both of your legs injured, you'll be able to fit them in it and reposition them comfortably. At number 3, we have the RMS Premium 35 inches Royal Medical Solutions Long Leg Lifter. If you injured your legs, the Royal Medical Solutions Leg Lifter will help you get back on your feet, literally speaking. By pulling and lifting your leg, this leg lifter makes it all easier, from moving your leg as you're getting out of bed to getting out of a car. You can place it in the most comfortable position with no inconveniences. The main advantage of this product is that it comes in 2 size options. Since both 35-inch and 42-inch options are readily available, you can choose the most comfortable one depending on your height. However, the hand loop remains the same size despite the length, and a lot of users point out that it is rather big. That's why it might take you some time until you get used to gripping it comfortably. At number 2, we have the Sammons Preston Leg Lifter Strap. The Sammons Preston Pediatric Leg Lifter will ease your daily activities a ton thanks to the convenient and well thought out design. The adjustable, resilient hand loop ensures a strong grip, prevents the tool from slipping off, and helps you lift the leg up more comfortably. This assistance device has a flexible foot loop that makes sure your foot is secured while you move it. The loop is not very big, so if you want to get out of bed or a car, you need to reposition one leg at a time. The tool is made of a simple metal rod covered by blue nylon cover. Some users point out that it is not very rigid. However, thanks to that, you can easily fold the lifter to a compact size. And due to the small weight you can take the tool with you, it will become handy when you need to get out of a car. And finally, at number 1, we have the Duro-Med Leg Lifter. If you are looking for a rigid and sturdy leg lifter that will help you with your everyday tasks, take a closer look at this Duro-Med model. It is suitable for paraplegics, elder people, as well as for disabled people. The tool comes equipped with a hard loop which ensures a secure foot grip. Thanks to its above-average size, the loop will prove easy to put over the foot, even for people with weak hands. Plus, the hand loop has a comfortable grip too. The length of the tool is not very big, about 32 inches. That's why it will suit people of average and below average height, as well as children. The lifter has a light brown nylon cover, and honestly, we wish that the manufacturer would have chosen a different color, since it gets soiled very easily. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.